We've got fantastic news in the Neon Road headquarters. One of our investors has just reserved not one, but two brand new luxury barn conversions through us in the beautiful Surrey countryside for service accommodation and Airbnb purposes. So we source these beautiful conversions alongside a very close associate of ours who has a fantastic reputation in the industry. Relationships are everything. The barns are set in 3/4 of an acre of land in which we are going to be designing, furnishing, staging and marketing the investments for our client who currently lives abroad, so requires a fully passive service from us. We will be targeting the busy London working professional away day and retreat market, as the barns are so close to the capital city, as well as targeting the holiday let family market, plus of course businesses, private retreat sectors and wedding event opportunities too. There is so much scope here. Think hot tubs, teepees, glamping, games rooms, cinema snugs, fire pits, barbecues. The list of possibilities is endless here. By leveraging the rent-to-service accommodation model, our investor can achieve massive cash flow without personally purchasing an approximate £2 million worth of real estate. He essentially has two continuously cash flowing assets on a 5-year lease without the hefty purchase costs, stamp duties, solicitors fees, stress, or potentially painful purchasing processes. Let's quickly break down the numbers for you. If self-managed, which means managing guests, cleans, maintenance and marketing himself, our investor can earn £5,342 net profit per month if the calendar is occupied at only 75% that month, which is 23 nights booked at £500 a night, which is easily achievable in the current luxury short-term market within the prestigious Surrey area. That accumulates to £64,000 annual net profit per barn after rent, utilities, council tax, cleans, online travel agent fees and all other running costs. Other elements to factor in for these, of course, are gardening in the summer months, hot tub maintenance and property maintenance. So through Neon Road, our investor pays per barn zero deposit, a £5,000 sourcing fee and £14,000 per unit for the deluxe luxury furniture, electricals and staging, which can either be purchased outright or financed monthly through us, and games rooms costs and hot tub leasing, purchasing and finance. So let's say £20,000 all in approximately per barn to keep the numbers simple. On a self-managed basis, that's £15,000 plus rent and all costs as an average compounded can be transformed into £320,000 per barn over the 5-year contract, all being well. So both barns for this investment can bring in an average £640,000 over 5 years. Of course, taxes need to be considered, which is the accountant's job, but wow, what an incredible cash flow on two properties that my client doesn't even own. No mortgage, no bank debt, no problem. So that means the investor is getting their initial investment of £20,000 per barn back in under 4 months. If our investor wants a fully hands-off, hassle-free management, we can arrange this for 15% taken from booking revenue after online travel agents have been paid, so not from turnover like most other management companies, which ultimately leaves you with more margin. If you're a property investor or perhaps you're just starting out in the property world looking for safe investments with high returns, then the rent-to-service accommodation model could be the perfect strategy for you. It's a low upfront investment approach with the potential for incredibly impressive returns. So if you're ready to learn more about how this strategy can work for you, if you're looking for help with sourcing the next high return property investment, then get in touch with Neon Road today.